Hi guys. Okay, let me show you how to make a sleeping mask. You don't need much. You don't even need a sewing machine if you can do it by hand. But you do need your basic sewing supplies, some cotton or satin fabric, some elastic, because this is kind of the same as making a scrunchie. And this is, I don't even know the name. But this is some kind of filling. It doesn't have to be much, it doesn't have to be thick, but it will be put inside of here. So yeah, I will show you how to make it. I also have the tutorial and guidance, step-by-step guidance on my blog, so you can go over there. And let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to need is a long tube-sized piece of main fabric, a piece of elastic, but we're going to make like a scrunchie with this. This is going to be the band around your head, and we're going to need 2 pieces of the fabric. You can also switch one for satin, and we're going to use one of the fillings. Okay, so we're going to start with a tube. We're going to fold the right sides together on the inside and just sew a straight stitch all along your line to the bottom. And we're just kind of basically making a scrunchie, but I will follow you in the next steps. Okay, we're putting the right side up. We're tucking this one over here, and we're going to put the elastic and the scrunchie effect in the middle with a little bit to the outside. And we're gonna go ahead and do it like that. Then we'll do the other side. And we're gonna put the other side, right sides together like a sandwich. And we're going to pin it all the way around. Okay, so I forgot to film that part, but I tucked in the pillow, as you can see, and I'm going to close this hole up and I will show you. Okay, so I just realized I was jumping from one part to the other, so let me explain it in words. When you pin down the entire sleeping mask, you're going to do a straight stitch and you're leaving a cap on the above side, like the top part. And then you're turning it inside out, right sides to you, and you're tucking in the pillowy stuff. And then we're going to this part while we're shutting it the hole shut, that we turned the entire sleeping mask inside out. And because I prefer this way that the pillow stays in the right places, I'm also sewing all around it, but with the right sides already out to us.